Good afternoon, everyone. A very creative welcome to everyone joining us today. Art is not just about drawing pretty pictures, it is about thinking, seeing, and expressing the world around us. Design is how we solve problems beautifully, from the chair you sit onto the apps you use. In today's art and design exploration session, we will break the myth that creativity is only for artists. Through simple hands on activities, you will explore colors, forms, patterns, and basic design, thinking that anyone can use it. Let's extend a warm welcome to Ms. Tisha Mandal, our expert trainer educationist and art and design expert. She is all set to guide you through this learning journey. Welcome, Ms. Tisha.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Miss Twinkle. And welcome, Divya and Ishita. It's lovely to see you all. Um, Miss Twinkle, are we waiting for more people to? Yeah, there's some more people who are joining.
Yeah, we can start now because the
We will
time is
start.
already
Yeah,
near. Yeah.
sure. Good afternoon, Satyam. Okay, so
Afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. Yeah. Let's begin. Um, as Miss Twinkle shared, art is not about only you don't learn art to just become an artist, right? Not that they pursue art, but still we are studying art in school from nursery, right? Can anyone tell me why do you think for example, I'll give you one example. We learn mathematics. We all learn mathematics. Not that everybody's going to become a mathematician or will pursue maths, but that basic mathematics is required, right? Why it is required, if you can tell me. How does it help us? If anyone can tell me.
Ma'am, it helps to solve our real life problems, which helps to means it shows us a way to think multiple options for a simple question, and how can we just think out of theory and how to apply our knowledge.
Perfect. That's wonderful, Satyam. Satyam, I'll be more than happy if you could switch on your camera. I'd love to see you because it's nice to communicate. Yeah. That was, yeah, Satyam is absolutely correct. That is one thing. So similarly, a lot of people think, why do we do art? And what even more than the children, the parents actually feel, what is the need of doing art? But in the 21st century, the way that we are moving forward in our life, art is a very, very important aspect in the way we are growing up. How? We will try and understand that a bit. But So similarly, how we do math till grade 10, basic art is important for everyone. And it is not about in school level, you don't really get the time to really work on your skills like that. The skill development actually happens once maybe you want to pursue art and you go to college, right? And you select a certain kind of art form and you build the skill. But there's one more kind of skill that you build in school predominantly, more than the academic skill of arts. Like how much time do you get, Divya, in your school? How much time do you get for your visual arts classes, let's say?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
How much time do you guys get in your everyday timetable for visual arts or arts? How much? What is
Ma'am,
the yeah,
like the time period which we get only.
timetable? Yeah, in the timetable, how many classes do you get in a week?
Ma'am, we get six classes in a week.
That's because you have opted for visual arts or painting or something like that in school, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
But when you were younger, how many classes you used to get?
Ma'am, not
Maybe one class a week or two classes a week. Am I right?
yes, I'm not more than
Not more than that, right? Ishita, am I right? Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So, what then? What do we do? Are we able to build in our painting skills and sculpture skills and all that in those two classes? Those classes are hardly for 35 or 40 minutes, right? We don't. But what do we develop or what do we can work in school level is our conceptual understanding in arts, which is happens may not happen. But when you're preparing yourself for pursuing art and what are the opportunities in career, that is when you need to work on this more. Most of the colleges, they don't want to see how skillfully you can paint or how skillfully you can draw. They want to see how you're able to, as Twinkle ma'am mentioned initially, that critical thinking, how you're able to use art as a tool. That is what they're going to see. So we'll take the first step now. What we're going to do is we are going to talk about, and we'll do a small game. Through that game, we'll try and understand something interesting. So we will try and understand the whole idea of design thinking. Have you heard this term, design thinking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ishita is saying yes. Divya. Satyam,
Yes,
have you
ma'am.
heard the term design thinking?
No, ma'am.
All right. Ishita and Divya, can you tell me what do you think it is about? If you've heard the thing, what is it about design thinking?
Ma'am, I think it's a hand-on approach to solving, like problem solving skills. And
Okay. Okay, all right, Ishita.
Ma'am, to design something, we need to basically require brainstorming and to basically take ideas and then apply it to design something, which is for the
Right,
outcome.
correct. You both are correct, and you're absolutely right. So, we will be doing a bit of a design thinking routine, and we'll see how it works for us. Okay. So, what I'm going to ask you, are you all carrying? I had messaged that you should have a paper, pen, and all that. Do you have it in front of you? All of
yes,
you?
ma'am.
Have you all
Okay.
bought the accessories? Accessories, what you call it?
Yeah. So the materials have you brought? It's there
Yeah,
in front of you.
material, not
Yeah. Satyam,
accessories.
if you're not going to keep your video on, you have to at least give me a thumbs up. Otherwise, I won't be able to understand. Right. So what we are going to do right now is I'm going to show you some images, okay? And then I'm going to ask you a few things, and then we'll do it accordingly. So, Twinkle ma'am, if you could give me can I share images? Do I have the,
Yes, please. Yes, yes.
okay, all right. Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
So, for example,
You want to share the PPT or what?
no, some images.
Yes, yes, please do it.
One second, yeah, 1 second.
Yeah.
I'm unable to share pictures from my desktop for some reason. Should I
You can share can you share in the group? You can share in the group.
Yeah. Then maybe, ma'am, you can help us in.
No, they can also see, they all are in the group now. They will see there. Otherwise, I
Right.
can share. I will also share, not a problem.
Yeah, just 1 second.
You all are, they are in the group, no? Yeah, no, fine.
Okay. So I am adding these images in the group. Let me know if you all can view it. And Twinkle ma'am, it will be great if you can share the same images on screen for all of us.
Okay. Let me see. I have to also download it now. Let me see.
Right. Divya, Ishita, and Satyam, are you able to see the images?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's
It's
visible on the
visible.
screen also now.
Yes, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So if you can see, ma'am, you can keep changing these images one after another.
Yes. I can.
Can someone tell me what you think these images are representing? Any one of you could raise your hand and tell us.
The emotions of the artist.
Emotions of the artist. Okay. Ishita and Divya, if you would like to add, ma'am, if you could show the next picture.
Yeah.
Look at all the images very carefully.
Different colors of the life.
Yes, ma'am.
You can keep showing them more, ma'am. So
Okay.
that
Okay. I was stopping. I thought he was.
no, I want them to kind of first go through all the images.
Okay.
What I would request students, I want you to don't give me your what you think it is or what you wonder. I want you to tell me what you see as it is. Give me the fact. What do you think these images are representing? What is happening in these images?
Ishita's and who are there? I just
What is happening? Let's say in the first image there is a person. If you could describe Divya, what is
this one.
happening
This
in the
one. Yeah. Should I change it?
मैम द फर्स्ट वन आप पहले में चले जाइए वापस हाँ यहाँ पे ये वाला
एक मिनट.
नहीं
This one.
दिव्या यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है बेटा व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिस इमेज डोंट इंटरप्रेट टेल मी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग
Ma'am, the person is sketching like
yeah
different forms of art.
Yes.
so the person is sitting and there is a table there are you just tell me like that there is a table there's a person there are books there are drawing files ऐसे करके आप मुझे बताइए what all are there
Ma'am, there's a sketchbooks. There are laptops, and the person is drawing, like sketching the things.
correct
Uh,
next image Twinkle ji Ishita what is happening in this image
We can find a pine cone which is colored and pencil colors and paints with paintbrushes and pens and including
Correct.
wire
Next
connection.
image. There is also a plant. Yeah, you already spoke about it, right? Then the next one. Satyam, if you could tell us about the next image.
Ma'am, it has some watercolors, a diary, and some references and other equipments which will help to create the drawing.
Correct. Perfect. Ma'am, next image. This one. Quickly, Divya.
Ma'am, there are several drawings and other like chart papers and all are there for the drawings.
Correct. So there are display of artworks, right?
Artworks.
On the wall. And Ishita, what's happening here again?
There's a girl who is sketching hand gestures and other sketches using her graphic tablet, using tablet and
Correct.
taking inspirations from Pinterest and other websites to
We
make
also
those
have a camera in front of
and
the table
camera
and all that, right?
and paint
And
paint pens
quickly,
as well.
right. So Satyam, quickly the next image. Let's be quick. We have to do a lot of things in 1 hour. So let's be quick. This one.
Different colors. A stool. Brushes.
Paints and
Paints.
box.
Satyam, what else is there? Twinkle ma'am said most of the things, but there's something that is there. If you could tell me.
Table are there. Tables are there.
सत्यम क्यों नहीं बोल रहा है? क्या हो गया बाबा?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Actually, I was on mute. I didn't pay
हाँ,
Okay,
attention.
okay.
ये क्या है यहाँ पे? ट्विंकल मैम ने बहुत
मैम
कुछ बता दिया.
कलर्स हैं मैम, टेबल्स पे कलर्स हैं, एंड
पैलेट है.
स्टूल, पैलेट एंड डिफरेंट स्टूल्स एंड बॉक्स.
अच्छा, sorry.
एक और एक चीज है जो आप सब में से इशिता has raised her hand.
Ma'am,
Tiles.
you can
Tiles.
find clay, which is
Clay.
used for craft.
Sorry?
Clay.
Correct. There's clay also. Did you see that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
the last picture, Satyam, आप जल्दी से बताइए यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है?
And a student with his laptop and coffee and pencil on his hand, and a table and paper.
It looks like a
And-
barista or a cafe coffee day also, right? It could be somewhere outside the
Yes, ma'am.
person is working.
It's cafe
Perfect.
most likely.
Perfect. Now, ma'am, you can stop sharing, and you guys already have the images in front of you on your phone. So I would want you to keep looking at it. And now what you have to do is, while you're looking at these images, I want you to tell me that what are the issues that you, so आपको ये पता चल गया कि these are places where our children, one can, like you can think of, what do you call it? A place where one works. An art student, we all see these are areas where one children can work, create their artworks. It's a space where you all must be having your art spaces in your house, right? Or where you work in school. Do you have?
Yes, ma'am.
So now I'm giving you a challenge, okay? What is the challenge? How might we improve the life of an art and design student? That is what we have to work on. So I'll give you the instructions on which you have to do it, okay? You have to look carefully at the images, identify the problems an art student might face. You all are students, you all know what kind of problems you guys might face. Then you all have an A4 size sheet, right, with you? Am I right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you fold if you suppose if it is visible, this is an A4. अच्छा ये इस पे दिख. Is it visible now?
Isha ji,
Yeah.
Yes.
Tisha ji, please remove the background.
अच्छा, ओके मैम. आई थिंक थोड़ा थोड़ा तो दिख रहा है. ये एक पेपर है. इसको मैंने A4 को मैंने 2 बार फोल्ड किया, फिर मैंने इसको 3rd टाइम फोल्ड किया, मैंने 4th टाइम फोल्ड किया, है ना? When I open it, guys, we'll get 8 boxes, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we quickly do it? Little quick, okay? जब तक आप
Okay,
ये
ma'am.
कर रहे हो मैं बाकी चीजें बताती रहूंगी. Satyam, I hope you're also doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. You're done, Nishita, folding them in 8. You got the 8 boxes.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So, Divya, you've also got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Satyam, same with you?
Yes.
Perfect. Now, what do we have to do? We have to keep looking at the images as I told you first, and then identify problems an art student might face. Okay? You have to figure out problems that an art student might face. In those boxes, you have 8 spaces. Now you have to sketch one solution to those problems. You cannot spend more than 30 seconds to give me those drawings. Now remember, I'm not going to judge your drawing skills here. These are basic sketches just to identify the problem and what kind of solution through visual demonstration. Okay? So I'll give you some examples. When I say problems, examples of problems students might face. carrying too many materials, losing their artworks, organizing portfolios, running out of supplies. These are और lack of studio space. So अगर problems हैं जो मैंने अभी बताया आपको, you can have your own problems because you as a student also might have problems. उसको आप identify करिए, उसको आप एक जगह लिखिए और उसके solutions को इन boxes में draw करिए. My instructions are clear to everyone? Any confusion you can ask me quickly. I could see Ishita, but Divya and Satyam, if you could give me either a thumbs up or a question.
Ma'am, I'm sorry. Can you explain it one more time?
Absolutely. So, Ishita, I'll just give you so for example, your challenge was, I'd shown you some images, right? These are
Yes, ma'am.
art spaces for students that you could identify, right? Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, what I have asked you to fold the paper, make 8 boxes. Each box you have to give solution to the 8 problems that you have figured out. How might we improve the life of an art and design student? So, किस तरीके से हम in how we can improve their life? So, problems क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Carrying too many materials. Isn't it a problem sometimes for visual art students? Is it,
Yes, ma'am.
Divya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Then we have problems like losing their artworks. We often have this issue. Children lose their artwork. Organizing a portfolio. How do we organize a portfolio? Running out of supplies. सामान ही नहीं है तो कैसे आर्टवर्क बनाएंगे? क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक्स. समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है करना क्या है, राइट? लैक ऑफ स्टूडियो स्पेस नहीं होता इतना कि हम स्प्रेड आउट करके काम करें. How do we showcase our work? Difficulty in showcasing our work. Managing digital and practical work. And are these issues that you think are you guys have? लगता है आपको होता है स्टूडेंट्स को ये? तो इसके
Yes, ma'am.
सॉल्यूशंस आपको सोचना पड़ेगा और वो सॉल्यूशन को आपको ड्रॉ करके ईच बॉक्सेस में बनाना पड़ेगा. Each you will spend 30 seconds for each box. It's a random drawing. Now is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm looking at 4 minutes maximum. We will spend 4 minutes in this. Satyam, I hope I was clear about the instructions.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. Start the work.
Any doubts? You can ask any question at any time.
Yeah,
We are here
anytime.
only.
Yeah.
Okay, we are here only.
Exactly at 2:28, we will stop this activity. All right? 4 minutes. Quickly. Let's challenge ourselves. I'm just trying to help you guys by giving you some prompts or some examples. But you can have your own problems, of course, but just to lead you. You can see the messages in the chat. You all can see, no? The chat box, I've shared some prompts.
Divya, Ishita, and Satyam, please check the chat box.
But I'll be more than happy if you can come up with your own problems rather than going with this. This is just a reference. One more minute to go, guys. Twinkle ji, I think Divya is not in the room anymore.
Divya has left.
I think so.
She will be joining back then, otherwise. Let me ask in the group.
Hmm. Yeah, so I've given you one extra time. It's already 5 minutes. If I could, Ishita and Satyam, could you quickly, you have to maybe Ishita, the background might
Share in
disturb,
the group. Share in the group.
or
No
share in the
problem.
group. Yeah, take a picture of whatever
Take a
you've
pic
made.
and share in the group.
Even if it's incomplete, it's fine with me. Just share it in the group.
Satyam, you
Okay.
too. Take a pic and send in the group. Divya, what happened? Why you left the group?
Sorry, ma'am, there was a network issue in my home.
Okay. Take a snap, take a pic of what you have created and send in the group.
Yeah, and Divya, it could be incomplete. It's okay. No
Yeah,
worries.
because the time is over now, so please send in the group.
I can see Ishita's image.
Satyam also.
Nice. Satyam as well, no? Nice. Very good. Wonderful. Divya,
Divya,
abhi
are you
check kar do?
Divya, are you sending the paper in the group?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, when you said like losing artwork one, so ma'am, is it like losing anything?
So, okay. So, Divya, first, I'll get back to you about this. First, you quickly share the Have you made anything? Were you able to make anything?
Whatever you have created, just send. Nobody will going to judge you or something like that. Don't worry, Divya. We are here to guide you, not to judge you.
Ma'am, I made.
Yeah, please send in the group. No problem.
Just share. It is, we are not here to, don't worry about all that. We are not
Yeah.
working on the drawing skills here. We are working on our, this skill, this. इसका skill
If
पे
you
काम कर रहे हैं.
if you will see my drawing, so you will feel better.
No, no. So yeah, it's not about how well we draw here. Trust me.
Yes.
Because
We are here to
I'm
guide
going to
you.
surprise you that visual arts is not only about painting and sculpture. There's so many lovely, lovely. That's very
Very good,
good,
Divya. Very nice.
Divya. Now what we're going to now listen. I'm going to now add some more points on chat box. Okay. So what could be the possible solution to these problems I have shared here? You guys now Ishita, if you could just quickly tell us that what are the problems that we are dealing with, and then I will talk about the solutions that I can see on your drawing. What are the problems that we see here?
The problems which I drew or the problems which you sent?
Acha. So the first is expensive, cost effective,
Yes, ma'am.
recycled.
I wanted to say that we the problem we usually face is that the art materials are very expensive, especially the digital.
The branded one you want to say, na?
Yeah, no, not even like paintbrushes,
Yes,
sketchbooks,
yes.
and paint tubes. They are like pretty expensive.
Yeah. So your solution is that we could go for recycled ones. That's a very good one.
And
Then what about
DIY
the
paintbrush.
what about the second one?
Okay, the second one I wanted to just show that for like when we carry a lot of things, it is a mishap, right? So we have we can say graphic tablets, so where we can just carry it with a pen and the tablet pen and with a single bag.
So we can do digitally when we are going outside. We may not have to carry out. That's lovely. And what about the third one?
Okay, third one, I was actually going to show an example. We don't have to just make art in a confined place. We can go outdoors in nature and draw it where we will have plenty of space.
That's amazing. Wonderful, Rishita. That's really good. Now I'm coming to Satyam. Satyam, I really like. I also
Yes,
find these
ma'am.
very interesting. So running out of ideas. So what is the solution here?
Means if you are running out of ideas, so you should go out of the workspace in which you are. So मतलब आप जहाँ पे बहुत समय से बैठे हुए हैं, आप बाहर जाके आइडिया ले सकते हैं। तो इसमें जो आर्टिस्ट है वो बाहर जाके अपने एक नया सीनरी ले रहा है ताकि उसका माइंड फ्रेश हो और फिर वो कुछ नए आइडियाज को सोच सके, और जो वो सोच रहा है वही बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है। अब दूसरी जो
Perfect.
प्रॉब्लम
Perfect.
है, the second problem is expressing ourselves. So
Hmm.
the solution is that whatever you think in your mind, just express it and paint it so that others can understand you, others can see your beauty inside your mind instead of just your physical beauty. And third is no social life. So here the artist is trying to make a drawing which will help to gather all his friends and family members so that all they all can interact with each other and form a single art piece.
And no
That's
serious
all.
support of family.
Ma'am, actually, I was thinking of the no serious support of family, that whereas in India it's still not a मीन्स यहाँ पे भी लोग अभी तक से इसको एक बढ़िया फ्यूचर की तरह पे आर्टिस्ट को नहीं मानते हैं। वो सोचते हैं कि ये साइड हॉबी है। सो पीपल
Yes.
पेरेंट्स डोंट एक्चुअली सपोर्ट इट। सो आई वाज
Perfect.
थिंकिंग that
हाँ,
students
solution
can
solution बताइए.
try to show their creativity and express their ideas so that your friends and family can understand about art, that art is not just about painting and drawing and selling it to others, but it's also a medium to express your feelings and
Your
your thinking.
emotions. Yes, very
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
Perfect. So what we did just now was a very quick activity, which is extremely important for us to understand that if we want to become an artist or a designer, how do we problem solve, how do we really solve these issues? Now, tell me one thing. Did everyone come up with the same solution? Let's pick a one particular concern here, which is common. Let's say running out of idea is similar almost to, no, let's say Divya, आपने जो बनाया है losing artwork, right? And you have shown a person looking very sad. It looks like that to me, right? Now what we were trying to figure out was that we were trying to figure out practical solutions. So if we lose what you have done, Divya, you've sh- you've demonstrated how a person will feel after losing an artwork, right? Or mostly Satyam has also demonstrated how a person will feel and all that. But Ishita kind of gave us some solutions also. We look at it, for example, if we want to, we don't have enough materials, are very expensive, we can recycle and create, papers for us, correct? Or let's say, instead of we might not be able to carry materials, we can do it digitally when we are going outside. Or let's say she said that this the third one, Ishita, was about describing the what was it about, the third problem?
The problem was like less space, and so we can go outside and
Yeah. So these are, because you have to understand the question. The question was connected to, because I showed you the picture where if a person does not have enough space to work for an art, you need a space, you need atmosphere, you need material. The solution nikale. As a designer, as an artist, you are able to demonstrate it through your drawing. Am I right? But as a designer, you are also problem solving. That's very important. You guys are interested in art, but what do you want to pursue in arts, that you're not sure, that you want to work on? And there are ample of things that one can do. It's not about only painting, or you become an artist, or you become an educator. ये हमें लगता है, वो we are coming to that. तो अब हम quickly क्या कर रहे हैं? So not that everyone came up with the same solution. That means what we are able to understand, that when we go to universities and we apply, what they're expecting from us is not a cliche answer to everything. They'll see that Divya has her own way of thinking, Ishita has her own way of thinking, and Satyam also has his own way of thinking. अगर आपने कॉपी पेस्ट करा तो फिर और मैं आपको ये लिख के दे रही हूँ, none of the universities expect you to be very skillful in drawing, in painting. No, they of course will look at your, but they'll look at your skill, and थोड़ा बहुत तो हम सब में होगा ही जब हम अप्लाई करेंगे. But what they will give emphasis to is your thought. What about your thinking skills in art? That is the most important aspect, and that is what is valid in India also, or outside also, wherever you go and study arts. Okay. So this was something that we did quickly. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to understand that which portfolio would get selected. Now let me ask you, there are three portfolios that I'm offering you. Hear me out very carefully. Portfolio A, it has beautiful artworks and no explanations. Portfolio B, it has average artwork, strong process and reflections. Portfolio C, random collection of works. You have to vote which one do you think a university will opt for. I'm putting it here for you on the chat box. You have to select which portfolio do you think, after our conversation and discussion, which portfolio you think will be more acceptable for this. You can just write portfolio A, portfolio B. Chat पे लिख दीजिए आप लोग. Option B. Ishita is saying option B. सबने लिखा option B. Can anyone tell me quickly why option B?
ma'am, because it has more solution and strong process which is required to design something, to actually make solution for the problems.
Absolutely amazing. So you already understand that the process is more important than the outcome already. And trust me, that's what they see. ठीक है? So the most important part in universities and design school, what they want to see is process, experimentation, reflection, and growth. Please understand that this is what we need to work on if you really want to pursue arts in any particular. मैं इस पे लिख के भी दे रही हूँ आपको. Process, experimentation, reflection and growth. तो जो अभी हमने छोटा सा एक एक्टिविटी किया था, that was a problem solving activity where we were trying to understand, we were smartly thinking. When you design, remember Divya, you were telling me, जब हम डिजाइन करते हैं या कुछ करते हैं तो हम पहले उसके बारे में सोचते हैं, या हम एक रोड मैप बनाते हैं. There is something called mood board. Have you heard of it, all three of you? Mood board. Okay. So if you want to become, let's say you are a fashion designer. You don't suddenly bring a cloth and start stitching it, right? You design it. Before you design it, you create, you think, you have, let's say you're making a dress for summers. So you'll think about summers, you'll think about the time, the particular country that you are in, the particular area that you're in, right? And then you will make a mood board. Mood board क्या होता है, या we'll come to that, but it's something that you will learn when you, whatever you opt for. ये हर जगह होता है जब हम डिजाइन, या हम गाड़ी का डिजाइन कर रहे हैं, let's say. uh, Acha, let me add something interesting with you. I met this lady who has a school called River Valley in Gujarat. So I forgot her name. Her name is some Seth or Sethi. So I'd visited one of her shows, and she was from NID, National School of Design, right? National Institute of Design. उन्होंने हमें ये बताया था कि आई हैव लर्न्ड डिजाइन एंड आई हैव नॉट क्रिएटेड अ स्कूल, आई हैव डिजाइन्ड अ स्कूल. Do you understand the difference? She did not create, she did not make a building just like that. ये तो सभी बना सकते हैं, बिल्डिंग कौन नहीं बना सकता है, राइट? करिकुलम बहुत लोग करिकुलम डिजाइन करते हैं, है ना? हम आर्ट का करिकुलम डिजाइन करते हैं. तो अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्रिएटिंग समथिंग एंड डिजाइनिंग समथिंग. So you have to ideate, you have to conceptualize things, right? So then so आपको मैंने ये बताया कि जब आप कोई भी पोर्टफोलियो बनाएंगे, ये 4 चीजों को आपको दिमाग में रखना है कि आप किस तरीके का प्रोसेस अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, कितना एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं, उसको कितना रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट? ये आपको डेमोन्स्ट्रेट करना है. अगर हमें एक पर्सनल पोर्टफोलियो बनाना है, मैं आपको अगेन 2-3 चीजें पूछूंगी, आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है. अगर खुद का पोर्टफोलियो स्टोरी बनाना है, यू हैव टू रिप्लाई टू दिस क्वेश्चन प्लीज. नॉट, इट्स नॉट अ क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली, these are some reflections that we are doing quickly. Can you see it on the chat box? What I love making, my strongest skills, and one skill I need to improve. Not one or two words, quickly. You guys know what you love making, right? You like to, what do you like making? Quickly write it down on the chat box. I'm sorry, I'm pushing you a bit. We have to be a little quick. 2-3 more things, very important, we need to do to come to the conclusion. I'm very apologies from my side. Lovely. Satyam says that, Satyam, you've written strongest skills. What are your strongest skills, beta? So Ishita says, I love making character and design of dress. Okay. And her strongest skill is sketching. One skill I need to improve, Ishita, that you have to add. Divya, my strongest skills are my drawing and painting skills. Love making dresses, and I need to improve my anatomy skills. Wonderful. So Divya has already identified her points. We're waiting for Satyam and Ishita's last point. You need to improve your perspective in drawing. You mean the perspective drawing, Ishita? Okay.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. Satyam, we're waiting for your response. While Satyam is responding, okay, Satyam says that he needs to improve his way of expressing ideas. Is that what you're saying, Satyam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and what about the first two part? What do you love making and what are your strongest skills? आप रिफ्लेक्ट करिए, तब तक हम दूसरे पॉइंट पे जाते हैं. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So 3 projects I can start this month. What do you think the 3 projects that you can start this month? If you can reflect quickly. Ishita, Divya. Meanwhile, Satyam is writing the first 2 points. Connected to arts, it may not be painting and sculpture, it could be something else. I gave you options. You could design a school. What else can you design? Stitching outfits, Ishita. That's wonderful. 2 more. I love making small characters of anime. I need to improve my world building of drawings. Okay. All right, Satyam. Wonderful. Now we can go to the next prompts. 3 projects I can start this month. Please mention. Ishita has said 1, stitching outfits.
Ma'am, we already typed 3 solutions, like 3 answers.
Ishita, you can tell also. Unmute yourself and you tell about that.
Designing dresses, Divya has said. Ishita, designing architecture and try animation. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I am putting another prompt, and I would also suggest whatever you're responding here, okay, take screenshot, save it for yourself. It'll help you. Okay. So I'll just put this another prompt. One real world problem I want to solve through design. There are multiple problems in this world. What is one thing that you would like? So Ishita, that how beautifully you were able to resolve by saying that, I could use recycled materials, to solve my problem with not buying expensive paper, right? What else? Just an example. So Divya and Satyam, थोड़ा मुझे तुम लोगों से भी सुनना है थोड़ा. One real world problem I want to solve through design. I give you 2 minutes to do this. You just have to give me the problem. That's all.
Ma'am, can we say like as fast fashion actually harms the environment? If you see, because we dispose the clothes, so we can just use those clothes and thrift it and design it and resell it. Can we do that? Like that's kind of solution.
Absolutely. You can do whatever, and that's a wonderful idea. Why don't you mention it? That you're concerned about how these, these pieces of these cloths are not being taken care of, and how it is creating a lot of problem in our society. And how do we sustainably because sustainability is the main issue right now in our country, right? So everybody is talking about sustainable use of everything. So it's a wonderful thought. You can just write it down. Satyam and Divya, I'm waiting for you also. Bringing smile on faces of unhappy people. That's a very interesting thing to say, but it's a little abstract, Satyam. Let's go to real. This is a very that's a very nice thought. I absolutely appreciate it. But if you could specify, what do you mean by unhappy people? How do you identify these
Ma'am,
unhappy
like
people?
in today's time, when you can see that people are unhappy because of lots of paper leaks and the current situation of the country where people are not united with each other and feel a bit separated, we can use art to
Hmm.
express themselves and feel a sign of unity among them, as it can be a as it can become a bridge between the people who are distant with each other to be at a common point on some issue.
So you are kind of talking about wellness. You're talking about mental wellness, aren't you, Satyam?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
that's what I'm trying to say. You need to identify these words. So what you said, you described it well, but you're actually talking about mental wellness because that is what is affecting currently because of whatever multiple reasons. So that could
Mm.
be your concept, Satyam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Resource management. Divya, resource management is a problem. Is it a world problem? Is it a real world problem? Resource management. When I'm talking about real world problem, I'm talking about global issues. Like Ishita spoke about कपड़े जो waste हो रहे हैं. He's talking about the people who are. So आप ऐसा कुछ मुझे बताएंगे? दुनिया में बहुत कुछ हो रहा है जो अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है ना, उसको हम कैसे बदल सकते हैं डिजाइन के थ्रू, वैसा कुछ सोचने के लिए बोल रही थी. ड्यू टू फास्ट फैशन आवर एनवायरनमेंट इज बीइंग नेगेटिवली इम्पैक्टेड. इंस्टेड ऑफ फास्ट फैशन वी कैन क्रिएट अ सस्टेनेबल फैशन बाय यूजिंग द. ठीक है, परफेक्ट इशिता. Okay. Meanwhile, Divya, you think about it. Did you understand what I asked? You think about it. I'm coming to the next point. Just 1 second. Right. I want you to complete this and submit it to Miss Twinkle. Not now. Okay. This is not for now. I want you to write this down for yourself. If I had, if I had unlimited time and resources, I would design dash because dash. It's a very, very important thing. Please copy paste for yourself. And it would be really nice if you can get a reflection from Skill Veda gets it. It will be a great thing. Are we going to get it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. जब तक आप ये सेव कर रहे हैं, अब हम इसको, मैं आपको कुछ चीजें शेयर करूंगी जो आपके लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि क्या क्या ऑप्शंस हमारे पास अवेलेबल है इन आवर करियर, राइट? और हम जब पोर्टफोलियो, ये जो हमने किया, दैट्स बेसिकली इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ वी बिल्ड अ पोर्टफोलियो. Okay, when you reflect on this particular line that I've given you, you'll be able to come up with the whole thought about it कि मुझे पोर्टफोलियो कैसे बिल्ड करना है. कैन आई आस्क यू सत्यम, हमने अभी पोर्टफोलियो के बारे में एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज बात करी थी कि अगर हमें पोर्टफोलियो बिल्ड करना है, व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, आउटकम और द प्रोसेस?
Ma'am, the process.
ओके, थैंक यू. दिव्या, व्हाई इज प्रोसेस इम्पोर्टेंट देन आउटकम?
Ma'am, process is more important than outcome because it helps us to think that what we have to build or what we have to create rather than the outcome. If we know the process, the outcome will also be really great.
Amazing. Perfect answer, Divya. 100 out of 100. You said the right thing. If we do the process beautifully, we don't have to spend extra time to get the outcome. The outcome will come on its own. So, right now, what you're doing, if you do that with complete 100%, you will get the outcome in the way the portfolio can be designed. Okay. Now, let me give you a quick understanding about what are the different things that one can do uh, in in arts. Okay, what are the options that we can think of? Because हमें जैसे सत्यम was talking about something very important कि we think that art मतलब ये एक दो चीज ही होता है, but that's not true. तो क्या क्या होता है? For example, we all know that you can become a fine art person who can do painting, sculpture, printmaking. You all are aware about it, right? Yes. Yeah. So there are artists who are contemporary artists. Who do you think are contemporary artists? Anybody knows? Can anyone tell me? कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्टिस्ट कौन है?
ट्रेडिशनल वन।
नहीं मैम, कंटेम्प्रेरी शब्द का क्या मतलब है? If you don't know, you can tell me that I don't know.
Ma'am, we don't know.
Ma'am, I don't.
Right, right. So let me first put this here कि हमारे आर्ट्स में अगर हमने विजुअल आर्ट्स को करियर सोचा, इंडिया में हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, मैंने आपके लिए डाल दिया है चैट बॉक्स पे, देखिए। कंटेम्प्रेरी आर्टिस्ट जो अभी काम कर रहे हैं, करंटली जो काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट मे बी डूइंग इट द वे ट्रेडिशनल आर्ट वर डन, राइट? जिन आर्ट को देख के हम बोलते हैं समझ नहीं आता है क्या कर रहे हैं, आर दे डूइंग मॉडर्न आर्ट? वी ऑल्सो टॉक लाइक दैट, राइट? There are many big artists who are contemporary artists and who are doing very big for themselves. Then there are artists who makes installation. आप अगर have you all been to any galleries or museums? How many of you have been to a Kiran Nadar museum? You all stay in Delhi?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Actually, we are of Varanasi.
Varanasi. So you can actually someday visit. There's a place called Kiran Nadar Museum. It's a wonderful place to visit. It's one of a kind in India. It's a contemporary. It deals with contemporary art. Okay. Then public artists. You know these people who do graffiti art. ग्राफिटी बनाते हैं, ये वेस्ट में ज्यादा होता है, इंडिया में कम होता है, बट दे आर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ अ काइंड. देन देर आर दीज आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट्स, इनको एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशन चाहिए होता है इन साइकोलॉजी, राइट? देर आर आर्ट थेरेपिस्ट्स जो मेंटल वेलनेस पे काम करते हैं. देन वी हैव इलस्ट्रेटर्स, चिल्ड्रंस बुक इलस्ट्रेटर, कम्युनिकेशन एंड ग्राफिक डिजाइन, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर. डू यू नो हु इज अ ग्राफिक डिजाइनर? No? Tell me no or yes. Do you know who's a graphic designer?
Maybe graphic designer is someone who creates designing through digital art.
Absolutely, absolutely. Then brand identity designer, packaging designer, publication designer, advertising designer, visual communication designer, information designer, motion graphic designer. You know these cars that you buy? ये जो हम मारुति और यहाँ से गाड़ियां खरीदते हैं, there are a lot of people who make clay models. They are called automotive clay. All these cars are first created with clay to see a miniature size. They design it and then that is made. Okay? So I have put animation हो गया, character designer हो गया. ये जो मैं अलग अलग चीजें आपको दिया है, आप इनके ऊपर थोड़ा रिसर्च कर सकते हैं. We have fashion designers, textile designers. Do you guys know the difference between them? So you need to do a research on all costume designer. ये जो फिल्म्स मूवीज हम देखते हैं उसमें they are not fashion designers, they are costume designers. Then we have stylist, we have interior designer, we have exhibition designer. So I'm just trying to tell you that there is no limit to visual arts, and it is not limited to painting, sculpture, and printmaking and fashion designing, right? So I have put everything for you on the screen, on the chat box. I would request you to copy paste for yourself and keep it to yourself. And जो पेपर आपने बनाया था उसको complete करिए. और ये जो last बात था, I would want you to reflect on it. If we have another session, then I would like to really get that reflection. Yes, Twinkle ma'am, please. Over to you.
Yes, we will be having another session. Okay. You tell me the time in this week only. And Ishita, Divya, and Satyam, Tishaji is in the group also. Any doubts, any question, please go ahead. Group is open for the questions. Any suggestions you want, please go. Okay, you can send in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Don't please
Right.
request, don't DM her because you can answer question in the, you can send question in the group itself. Okay. We are always there
Yeah.
for you people. Thank you, Dishaji, for
So
your time and
I'm
efforts. Yeah.
sorry. I'm resharing the last one. One project I would love to create. ये वाला आप करके लाएंगे और जो 8 boxes हम complete नहीं कर पाए थे दिव्या एंड सत्यम विल ट्राई एंड इशिता आपका भी इनकम्प्लीट था उसको प्लीज कंप्लीट
Yes,
करके
ma'am.
लाएंगे एंड
Okay,
प्लीज
ma'am.
शेयर इट विद मी ऑन द फॉर एज मैम सेड शेयर इट ऑन द ग्रुप फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस टू व्यू two
Okay.
things okay so ma'am when do you we will be sharing with them in this
Yeah,
week
we will be sharing every detail with them. And Ishita, create a collage of the things which you have created now, all of you, and send in the main group, summer internship. Okay? The 3 pics which you have created now, today only. Am I
Yes,
audible,
ma'am.
Ishita, to you?
Yes, ma'am.
You just create a collage of it and send in the main group, summer internship group. I will do. Leave it. I will do.
I
Okay,
think she's
thank
not
you.
able to understand
Yeah,
the
I know,
yeah.
I know. I will do. I will send you. Okay?
All right. Okay, lovely meeting all of you, and I hope it was useful. And
Yes.
today was just the beginning. And in the next class, we will do a lot more practical work, detailed work. We just got an idea today, Hannah. So I hope you got, but do work on the thing that I've asked you because that will really help us to move forward.
Satyam,
All right.
can you come online for just a few seconds? I have to take a pic actually. Then you can
Okay,
go
ma'am.
offline. Not a problem. Yes, thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, Tishaji, please continue.
No, I was just saying that I'm looking forward to seeing you all in this particular week, coming week, and we will coordinate over the WhatsApp. बट मैं वही बता रही थी आप लोग और मैं बता दूंगी क्या क्या आपको लाना है क्या नहीं करना है पर ये दोनों चीज आप जरूर करके आएंगे ठीक है विल गिव यू
Yeah.
इनफ टाइम टू डू दैट
Yes.
ऑलराइट
Yeah. Okay. Thank you
All
everyone
right,
for
thank you
joining
so
us.
much. Yeah.
Meeting you in this. Thank you, Tishaji. Thank you everyone. We will be meeting again coming week. Okay. By Wednesday or Thursday. Is it fine, Tishaji?
Yeah, it works. Thursday works.
Okay, fine. We will be meeting
Okay,
on
ma'am.
Thursday now. Okay. Thank you
Okay.
everyone. Thank you. Take
Um,
care. Bye.